Alright, so I'll try to wipe this or soap this windshield up. With the Dawn soap. I was going to use the one that we 3D printed and see if it's still going. Oh yeah. And I'm right-handed, so I'm starting on the left side so I can swipe left or right. Hey, look who's there. Okay, so now I'm going to squeegee this side. And this is the squeegee that's curved and designed for inside windshield cleaning. So this is the one we 3D printed. And you can see it's got a little curve to it, and it's really flexible. Contours to your windshield. This is the one we had manufactured, same thing. And I'm just going to take this, and you can really do it any way you want, just straight up and over. And I'll do it like that. Pretty loud. And then we'll take this one and just clean the edges real quick here. And your inside is done. Now I'll do. So this is the squeegee. There's another slot here for the other side. So now we're going to clean the outside. We're going to take this out and put it on this side. This side's curved the other direction. And that way we can clean the outside. It's a little slippery here because it's still wet. Here, let me dry this off here. There we go. But you can see the O for the outside, I for the inside. And then we'll put the handle back on. And now it's set up curved the other direction. Alright, so I'm going to use the same Dawn soap. Just give it a good scrub. Lots of stuff on here. And I'm just going to take this and swipe it across. Overlap the strokes. Keep the handle low and angled so that pushes the water back down. And just take it here. Quite a bit of soap here, so I think I'm splashing it right here a little bit. Yeah, it's just quite a bit of soap here. Wonder if I can. There we go. Take care of that. Swipe the edges, and then now we'll do the other side. And for this side, if you want to avoid doing the traditional way of just squeegeeing like this, and then you leave water here, you can do it a little differently. And you just overlap, keep it tilted, and just kind of scoop the water back towards you. And that way you don't have water, you know, coming and leaving in the middle. And you could even go this direction, whatever you want to do. And there you go. Just a rooster. And you get your edges, and that's it.